Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and this vlog. In this vlog, I'm going to tell you about the benefits of having money. Or you can say if you have a lots of money, then you can have major benefits. So, personally, I think that this video is useless because most of you already know what can be done with the money and what power it holds. But still, let me explain. The first thing that can be done if you have a lot of money is that you can have access to better healthcare services. You can have access to better hospitals, and in emergency crisis, your treatment will be preferred. And there are a lot of advantages. Uh, I will not go into all of them, and I have made a broader category for them like health benefits. So that is the first thing. The second thing is you will have more resources that can help you, your family, or your loved ones, or the people you care about to get more success and perhaps live their dream life if they or you want it to be. The third thing is the better education. So, if you have more money, you can provide your children and your siblings and your loved ones or your friends or somebody you really care about. You can provide them with the good education. They can choose their field of interest and then do a lot of things that are related. You can even send them to world's best universities, etc. And one more thing, when you have a lot of money, you will have a kind of better way of traveling. Like you can have a private jet, you can have a sports car, you can hire better pilots, better drivers, and other things. The next important thing having money is that you don't have to kind of listen to somebody else, like no one will kind of talk to you in an aggressive manner. Suppose you're doing a job, then there are various cases that your employer, your boss, and other things, and this happens usually a lot in blue collar jobs, that they can scold and abuse people verbally. So this is more frequent in such scenarios. So if you have a lot of money, there are very less chances that you need to kind of like listen to or follow other if you do not want to follow them. That is the major advantage of having money. The next thing is that you will kind of become more famous if you have a lot of money. You will have better connections. It's like people will want to like connect to you for monetary gains or to seek advice and other things. And I've seen there are a lot of cases where people who are famous tends to become an influencer, and they kind of like it. The next thing is people will take you more seriously and they will give you a more priority. And one of the most important things that comes when you are rich is that you do not need to worry about other things. This is kind of a debatable point. Let's say you are rich, so you do not need to kind of worry of like how will you make a living. You can simply pursue your passion and perhaps focus on your health if you are an health enthusiast. Uh, so that is more of a debatable, as I have said earlier. So there may be cases like that. For if you have a lot of money, then you may have some security crisis, like you will have people that are threatening you and other things that may come if you become ultra rich. So I don't know if it's that common, and I think it's not of a worrisome thing, but still there may be some cases that it could happen. So ultimately you will end up having a less stress, because you kind of just need to follow your passion, and that will be very much less stressful. Plus, if you do not want to work sometime, or let's say you are tired, you can simply take rest. You do not need to worry that you need to do that thing tomorrow also, if it's not that urgent. So you kind of have a freedom, more freedom kind of thing, and especially financially. So that's it for this video, guys. And I know you may think that this video is useless, because most of you already knew all of these benefits. So that's all. Thank you.